Welcome to our educational channel. From class 7, the chapter 4 is lines and angles. So all the concepts of geometry before doing the geometrical concepts, the basic things regarding lines and angles and properties, you should know in this chapter all the skills one by one. So the document or PDF file which I am showing on the screen now, that I am providing the link in description below. You can get the PDF file, and by listening this video you can solve the problems in it. Every page, first 3-4 problems I'm explaining, so more than 20 pages per page, so you can get the PDF and do or solve in that, so it will be perfect. Once you're perfect in particular skill, then only come to the next topic, so easy for you. Okay. In this lines and angle, first skill you should learn relation between angles, like what is complementary, linear pair, vertical and adjacent. Here are the 4 examples. Complementary is sum of the angles should be equals to 90 degrees. So you can see the 90 degree symbol. Now this is the 90 symbol. No? AB together is 90. So this is the complementary. So when you come to this is the complementary angles. Next. So sum of the angles is 90. There's a complementary. AB together is 90 symbol is given. There's a complementary. Next, linear pair is sum of the angles should be equals to 180 in this case. So angle of the straight line is 180. Now this third one, this is the straight line. In this straight line only B and A is there together. So this A plus B is 180. So that means this is the linear pair. Right? Angle of the straight line is 180. The angle on the straight line, the sum of the angles of the straight line are included in this itself. There is a linear pair. Next, vertical. Vertical is just opposite to each other. Now angle A, angle B are exactly equal and are opposite. So these both examples come under vertical angles. Next, adjacent. Adjacent is two angles which is having the same vertex. So this is angle B and angle A is having the adjacent angles. They are the same. For example, if you draw like this, these two angles having the same vertex and which is having one common ray for the both. Okay. These are the adjacent. Adjacent is just side by side, but it must be having the same vertex for the both angles. Okay, so we have, I'm giving some more examples. So in that you need to identify complementary, linear pair, vertical and adjacent. So you have question number 5, 6 onwards in this page are there in that PDF file. Let's go for another skill in this next page. Lines and angles, relation between angles in a pair of lines. Pair of lines. In this alternate interior corresponding, again alternate exterior. Alternate interior, alternate exterior. Okay, and corresponding, let us see, and vertical. Before that, let me show you the particular exact example with numbers which are the interior, alternate and corresponding in this, right? When two lines are parallel, and the line is crossing these two lines, no, it's called transversal. It makes total 8 angles. So this angle 1, same place, no? Okay, for example, first one, interior angles which are inside. So this is 1 2 3 4 and it is 5 6 7 8. So with examples I'm mentioning here, it's easy to identify. 3 4 5 6 are interior angles, that means which are inside the parallel lines. Observe, that's why interior angles. 4 3 5 6 are interior. Clear? Next, 1 2 7 8 angles are exterior angles. So these both 1 2 8 7 within the parallel lines, interior, remaining are exterior. I am removing this. Next, alternate interior angles and alternate exterior angles. 4 and 5 in this. Okay, 1 2. Okay, this is 3 and it is 4. Alternate interior. In actually these 4 are interior, right? Inside again these two alternate cross. So 4 and 5 are alternate interior. Even 3 and 6 also alternate interior. They are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior means angle 4 is equal to 5, angle 3 is equal to 6. Okay, These two angles are equal, these two angles are same. If angle 4 is 30 degrees, this also must be 30 only will come. If it is 70, this will get 70. So alternate interior angles are equal and alternate exterior next. 1287 is exterior, right? This 1 and 7. These both are alternate exterior. These two, 2 and 8 is alternate exterior. Next. Corresponding angles is same position. 1 is exactly matching with this 5 place. 2, 6, 3, 8 and 4 and 7. So these are corresponding angles. So corresponding angles also equal. Right? Alternate interior angles are equal, alternate exterior angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal. That equalities, whatever angle it will be same. Same logic will apply for here. Clear, right? Now it's clear, you can answer this. So B and A. B and A actually inside, interior, but they are alternate. So alternate interior. They are interior. Same side, no, not same side. So alternate interior. This is alternate interior is this. Next A and B. This is the same place. A and B, same positions. So corresponding angles. So you can answer the same type. Now B and A. B position and A position is same. So these are corresponding angles. Next B and A is inside but alternate interior. This is also alternate interior. But here is inside is no, only outside is there. Exterior, but exterior they are alternate again. So alternate exterior this is. Now AB. A and B is exterior, alternate, right? So alternate exterior. So not only this, next page also I am giving, previous page also I am giving with different examples. After learning from this concept, then you can answer all the PDF pages problems from the remaining pages. Right. Next skill, finding the range of the third side. In any triangle, two sides are given. What is the possible for the third side? First of all, you should know the basics in this. In any triangle, let the length of the three sides is ABC. If three sides length is ABC, then sum of any two sides should be greater than third side. If you add any two sides, the third side must be less. Sum of the two sides is greater than third side, and difference of the two sides should be less than the third side. Okay, sum of the two sides must be greater than third side. Difference of the two sides is less than the third side. Okay, in the place of A, if it is 8 and this is, take some number 5, then what is the chance of C? So sum of the two sides, first 8 plus 5, 13, right? 13 is greater than C, that means C is less than 13. Next to difference, 8 minus 5, 3, 3 is less than C, right? That means 3 is less than C and 3 is, okay, this is 13 is greater than C, C is less than 13. Difference between them is less than C. 3 is less than C. So C is greater than 3. C value must be more than 3 and less than 13. Clear this both. C value greater than 3 and less than 13. So between 3 and 13, this range is there. C is between 3 and 13. Greater than 3 and less than 13. So there is a range. So we can write 3 less than C less than 13. C is between 3 and 13. Okay, so same way. That means third side, you should do addition of this both first. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 to 8 plus 8 minus, difference between them. So 1. So third side possible is between 1 and 7, 17. Between 1 to 17. 1 and 17 should not count it. Only within the, between 1 and 17. You can write between 1 to 17 or 1 and 17. That's the range. Same logic you apply for everything. So this is between, difference is 3 and addition is 21, right? Okay, so that is the rule for the third. Third side is always sum of the two sides is greater than third side, difference of the two sides is less than the third side. That only I applied in this. Okay, now next, already we learn about adjacent corresponding those angles, no? Linear pair, depending on that we can do it. Complement sum of the two angles if it is 90. That's complementary, you know. Now, first one, those rules you apply to solve this. Okay, always complementary is 90, linear pair is 180, right? Now this is the straight line. This angle is 90. So these two are complementary. That means 3x plus 42 should be is equals to 90 degrees. 3x is equals to 90 minus 42. 3x is equals to, from 90, 42 we can subtract. So 48. Then x is equals to 48 divided by 3. X is 16. So because of these two are complementary angles. Next, this is the straight line. X 135 linear pair. So x plus 135 is equals to 180. Angle of straight line is 180. Linear pair is 180 you can take. X is equals to 180 minus 135. 45 will get it. Right? Okay. Same rule for this all. Now here is vertically, okay, these are opposite angles, vertical angles. Vertical angles are same. 2 plus 5x is equals to 67. Vertical angles are same. Rule of the vertical is vertical angles are equal. Now 5x is equals to 67 minus 2, that is 65. Then x is 65 divided by 5, 13. Okay, you can solve. Next, this is what straight line, right? So linear pair. Sum of these two angles is equals to 180. What is that? Both 2x plus 1 plus x plus 29 is equals to 180. Then simple equations you studied no previous lesson depending on that. 2x plus 3x is 2x plus x 3x. 180. 1 plus 29 30. Take this side minus 30. 150. Then x is equals to 150 divided by 3. So 50 it is. Okay, so this is about linear pair or complementary or vertically opposite. Depending on that, you can take the property and do it. Okay. Next, when we have the parallel lines, we can apply the rule. Parallel lines already studied. Corresponding angles are equal. Alternate interior are equal. Alternate exterior are equal. Depending on that. First one, alternate exterior it is. So alternate exterior angles are equal. That means 18 plus 7x is equals to 8x plus 8. Take one side. 7x take this side. 8x minus 7x. 8 you can take LHS. 18 minus 8. So 10 is equals to x. Therefore, x is equals to 10 it is. Okay, same way. Next. Equals are only corresponding angles are equal. Remember, alternate interior, alternate exterior are equal. Next, same side of the transversal. Same side of transversal is equal to 180. Same, this is transversal, but same side it is. Interior, but same side, no. They must be equal to 180. So, as per the rule, question number 2, 10 plus 5x plus 15x plus 10, this should be equal to 180. Same side of the transversal is equal to 180, remember. 5x plus 15x. So 20x plus 20 is equals to 180. Then 20x is equals to 160. X is equals to 160 divided by 20. 0, 0 cancel. X is equal to 8. Okay, this is the way you apply. Same side of the transversal is 180. Okay. Previous example, the line is there. So this sum of these two angles, if x and y, x plus y is equals to 180. Now these two also. If it is AB, so A plus B is equals to 180. Same side of the transversal, interior, exterior. Even these both, changing the color, sum of these two also equal to 180. Same side. Alternate side is they are equal, but same side means sum of those is 180. Right. So same logic. Okay, here is the corresponding angles. Remember, this is both are corresponding, right? So 51x minus 2 is equals to 100. Then 51x is equals to 102. Take this side. X is equals to 2. 1 and 2 divided by 51. Same corresponding. 21x plus 4 is equals to 130. Corresponding angles. Then 21x is equals to 130 minus 4. That is 126. X is equals to 126 by 21. You can simplify 21 times 6. So x is equal to 6. Okay. We have main properties, whether corresponding, alternate, depending on that you can check. Okay, and this is the main. Here is these are equal, interior or alternate exterior corresponding, they are equalities. So 1 is equal to 5, 2 is equal to 6. But sum is equal to 180 is 4 plus 6. Okay, angle 4 and 6 is 180. Angle 3 and 5 is 180. Next 2 and 8, angle 2 and 8 is equal to 180, angle 1 and 7 also is equal to 180. Okay, this is the rule you can apply to solve this. I am giving complete worksheets in this regarding to practice each and every problem based on complementary linear pair or parallel lines. So after practicing one skill, come to the next skill one by one to perfect.